side, and I won because my pawn was nearer to the queening square.
Correct.
It's black.
All right.
Black.
The next position. Remember, it looks. Just look at it. It looks very, very dire. It looks like black is about to queen. Okay, but white has got an extra knight. So very smartly, if you use it, then you will be able to. Then you will be able to put it. I'll put the position on the board.
So white will win.
How? You have to see.
Sir, I will also. Sir, can I play as white?
Let me clear the board.
So can I play as white?
All of
So
you.
can I play as black?
All of you can play as white or black, but let me just give the. I think this is the position. If I'm
Yes.
correct.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah. So it is white to play. Again, don't tell me the move. Tell me the idea.
Sir? Sir, my idea is to move the king from front. Otherwise, the black will get the time and will queen the pawn.
So but how will you? Black is just one step away from queening.
I will knight to g4.
And it's a check, and then the king moves somewhere. Black king moves somewhere. Then
After that, I'll move the pawn.
So
move the pawn, black will queen.
Knight to h3.
Sir,
What is the idea? Black is one step away from queening. How do you prevent black from queening? If black queens, then boss, you can go home. Tata, bye bye. Checkmate.
Sir, knight to g5. G4.
Knight to g4 check. We already saw.
no, sir.
Black to move.
Sir, knight to e4. Knight
Sir, knight to d1.
Knight to d1. Knight to see. Just look at it.
Sir,
Knight to
knight-
d1,
sir.
pawn queens.
Sir, knight to e4.
What is the idea of knight to e4? Why knight to e4 and not g4?
Because otherwise we can, if we'll get the, we can after that move to c3.
That is important. That is what I want you to think. Okay, not just what move, but why. This is very important. Yeah, I think Kushagre also wrote it, I think. So knight to e4 is very, very important because, and you get it with a tempo. See, normally if there was king was not on f6, then it would have been a lost game for white actually, because the pawn is queening and there is no way to stop. Just because the king is on f6, you get an extra tempo. What do we mean?
Yes.
Tempo? We get one time. We get check. And now because black is forced to move the king somewhere, right? Now you get time to move your knight here and prevent the pawn from queening. So, but what does black do now? Black plays this. Black moves the other pawn and says, oh, please take my pawn and then I will queen. You cannot allow it. What can you do? Your knight has to go here.
Yes.
And now,
If it will move the pawn, then we can kill it.
now even if he moves it, you will capture it and again you will be controlling the square. So now he cannot push the pawn. So he will have to just move the king somewhere. And now it is okay for you. Now it is okay.
Form free the pawn.
Sir, can you go one move back?
Yeah.
Sir, in the sir, not for some friend. Yes, sir. Here, black will again play to f6.
If black plays to f6, no problem for you. Now you can just move this.
Yes, sir.
Now what can black do? He cannot.
Now,
he cannot play here.
if it wants to try to chase the king, it will have to go again to e7 and
e7 you will have to block it, but then you come up here.
But however, white have a win.
Yeah, and see if he goes here, okay.
Again,
f6.
Move your pawn up.
Now you can push the pawn up. See, you are not going to get into a stalemate condition here because you have this knight which can move to a3 and come back anytime when you have to make a move. Okay. See, the standard drawing technique is black goes here. Okay, and if white goes here, then you push it, because what normally you do is you get into the 7th rank, you move it with a check, then normally it becomes in king and pawn ending, this becomes a stalemate because white king has to protect the pawn, white king has to come to f6, and then black does not have any move to go, right? That is what happens normally. But here,
after white moves, we can move there.
yeah, knight to e3. Now black's turn again to move. So
Now
black
black have only one. Sir, now we.
now it is winning, right?
Yes,
Now it is easily winning.
Yeah, right. So remember the tempo was very important here.
yes, sir.
This was wrong, right? Knight to d1 was a question mark. Knight to e4 was the right variation, right? Knight to e4, then king goes here. Knight coming to c3 is very important. You could have also come to knight to d2 also, same thing, because you want to land here on b1 first, and after this now both the pawns are stuck, and now you get your chance. You can't do this, so king f6. I think this is the promote. This is what would have been the main move. Then you, okay, fine, excellent. So you are seeing how the technique you have to use it in different positions. You have to use the technique to win. I don't know. I have given so many examples here.
Sir,
Yeah.
can we try the last example? Black to play and win.
This I will leave it to you because it's a. I think we should use it. I will. Basic idea. I think I have given this. Even in this. The last example here, right? Rook, and there are 4 pawns on white, and black has got a rook and 1 pawn. So black is materially ahead, 5 + 1, 6 versus 4, but there are connected pawns. So you have to be careful how it happens,
Yes.
what happens,
Yes, sir.
right?
Sir, can you put this in larger?
Sir, connected pawns are very dangerous. No one
connected
can
pawns
stand a
are-
chance against them, not even a queen, sir.
Correct.
Am I right?
No, queen can very easily handle. 2 connected pawns very easily queen can handle.
Yes,
Sometimes
sir.
3 pawns also queen can handle it. But rook can handle 2 connected pawns easily, but 3 might become dangerous. So let us.
White can win.
But it's not easy, huh? This position is not easy.
Sir, because it is some material.
But white have pawns.
But also white will win.
It is not easy, but we can try.
Something like this is the position, or what is the position? Yeah, f3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the position, and it is black's turn to move, not white's turn.
Okay, sir.
So can I play as white?
Okay, you can.
Sir, I also can play as white.
No, only one person can play as white.
Sir, I will play.
So I will play as black then.
Okay. Sir, I want
No, I want somebody of you to play the black.
Sir.
Sir, me. Please, I'm not play.
Okay, not Dipant, I think you have played. So somebody else. Who was saying?
Me.
Agastya.
Agastya. Think about it, and what should black play here? It is black's turn to move.
All the best.
Again, everybody, not just Agastya. Everybody. See what I keep telling.
Sir,
Find the strategy. Think about the approach. Think about the.
Sir, I thought about a move. Sir, rook to f6.
Rook to f6. Okay, but what is the idea? What is the thinking behind it?
So from there, I will move and go and support my pawn and attack the white pawn on a2.
Okay. So that now we are talking. So what Agastya is saying is he wants to come here first, then he wants to go here, and then he will defend it and at the same time attack this pawn. Okay, that is what is strategy. So let us just check it out. Okay, so if he plays,
Sir, I am playing a pawn to g5.
okay, you are attacking the rook. Okay,
Sir,
now Agastya, you will go here.
yeah. Sir, pawn to a4.
Okay, pawn to a4. Now
Sir, I'll always attack the pawn behind.
So where will you attack it? Here, this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my strategies.
So
Sir, I'm
pawn
waiting for
to
opportunity.
F5.
Pawn to F5, huh? Okay.
Sir, giving me another chance for my strategy to work out.
So what will you play now? What is your strategy?
Kill the pawn that my rook is right now.
Okay, and give a check to the king. So
Come behind the pawn which is in
4.
now, sir. I'll come behind the pawn which is the this pawn here. Yeah.
King to H5.
king to H5.
Kill that pawn. Now
Pawn
we have
to
only two connected pawns.
G6. Pawn to G6.
Sir, a rook to F4.
King to G5.
Sir, rook to D4.
D4, huh?
Pawn to F6.
Now, sir, I'll go back to the top part.
Where?
The
Tell me the
8th
square
rank. The 8th rank.
Oh, you will go to the 8th rank.
Pawn to F7.
Sir, block it. I wanted to block it.
This is wrong. This one is wrong. This is wrong.
So king to H6.
King to H6 is the right move.
So now I'll move a rook to D6.
Attacking this.
Pawn to F7.
Sir, king blocking the pawn.
King blocking the pawn.
The pawn to G7.
Wrong, wrong.
No. King
Wrong,
to
sir.
H7.
King to H7.
Sir, kill the pawn and sacrifice of the rook.
Now you are attacking because if you don't sacrifice now, then you are about to lose.
Kill
Or
the
if pawn comes with a check, then next move it will become a queen. So now you have to sacrifice the rook. And now it's a.
Sir, it's winning for white.
It is winning for black, not for white.
Draw, sir. It is a draw.
It
No,
is
sir,
winning
winning
for-
for black. It's
It
winning
is
for
winning
black.
for black. Simply run down the pawn and
Black
queen it.
and queen.
What are you saying?
It's
Draw,
winning,
winning for white. What is this?
sir, winning for black.
Black king has blocked this pawn. No matter what you do, how much dance you do it here, black is going to say bye-bye. I am just queening my pawn.
Sir, here you can kill the other pawn.
Forget the queening the other pawn. I am just going to queen. You do whatever dance you want here. Yeah,
So from the first position, white can't win.
yeah. White can win, but I think I see there are it turned out to be okay. But you saw, I think it is. You saw I think it turned out to be okay, but slightly better move for black would be also to play A5 first, because then these pawns can never advance.
Pawn to A4 then.
If you play plan to A4, then there is no problem. Then rook gets in one move, he comes here, and then
Sir, can you tell the right move for white by which they white can
no,
win?
white cannot draw. White can actually not draw this after A5. White is going to lose. Only thing is that he might be able to. He has to start pushing the pawns. Okay, but it is finally it is a loss only. Okay.
So cannot white win?
No, white cannot win. Because with this is the best chance for white to push the pawns. Okay. But what happens now is that, what happens now is, what happens now? What should black do? Black should blockade the pawns first. Even if you attack, it is okay. Now you go in here. And as long as your king is there, you are ready to swoop down. That is okay. All right. So I think a5 is also a good move because it stops the pawn. Rook f6 also worked out. Okay, rook f6 also worked out. But you should know, I think you got several points. I think you got understood now. So now what will you do? If you push this pawn now, okay, it is about to. It is, you have to just calculate whether this will go so much ahead or not. I think black has got a black rook will come down here, and now it is not easy for you to push because the black king will block it and the rook will start checking along these lines and it will not allow you to advance. Just try. Anybody wants to try playing white?
Sir, me.
Okay.
Then I would have a good plan to move the same pawn we just had moved to one step ahead.
Which pawn? F6.
Yeah,
F6, the king will come here and block it.
sir.
Yeah.
King to f5, supporting.
Into f5. Yeah, supporting. Now first you have to give the check rather than killing the pawn, because now these squares cannot come. So king has to, what king has to do? King has to either go back here or he has to
Sir,
go,
I want to go here.
where? Here
Supporting
means
the
what?
pawn. Supporting the pawn.
Here means where?
The pawn, the f6 pawn.
So tell me the square number. Agastya, you are level 3, you are not level 1.
e5.
King e5. But now you know this pawn cannot move ahead because it will be without support and this pawn is anyway blocked. So now you have got the chance.
Sir, now again to f5.
Again black rook will come here.
Sir, again to the same move.
Yeah. So now this time the rook just comes up here. Attacks along this line. If you move the pawn, then I will kill it. Now what do you do?
Go and try to attack the black pawn.
Go and try. You will never be able to reach the black pawn here because the rook will take it here first.
Then take the black rook, then take the black pawn.
There is no pawn here coming here. I mean, there is no use coming here. This pawn
Sir,
is
first I here.
Sir, I know how to win in this case, in white's case.
in white's case. Then play for white.
Okay, sir. I'll continue from here only. No, sir.
Black has played here, and now you play white.
So king to f5.
And then I gave a check.
Okay. Then king to e5.
King to e5. Then I use this chance to kill one pawn. Oh.